If you have a little baby boy when you're bigger, when you're married, what are you going to call him?
Vincent. Like Calvin.
Vin?
Calvin. Calvin.
Vincent.
Vincent.
And you thought of that name, didn't you? Not me.
And Mummy. And Mum.
Oh, did Mummy think of it as well? Oh, cool. So do you really like that name? How about for a girl? What would you call a girl? A little baby girl. What would you call her?
Sally.
Sally! That's cool. Ah, Sally. Oh, like Callie. Oh, yeah, because we call you Callie, didn't we? Callie, Sally, Calvin, Vincent. That's really clever. I like that. Right, so if I record this now, we're not going to forget. So when you have a little boy or little girl or boy and a girl.
So, Mum.
Yeah, we can show Mum. All right, then. Cut. Done. I'll upload it. Oh, it's...
The video.